Today we're looking at the Prop and Scenery Lights Ember Orange bulb, which uses red and yellow LEDs to create a orange flame spectrum, and we're using the FEC1 flicker effects control to control the bulb. We used the Ember Orange bulb to build this prop torch. We embedded it directly in polyester resin. As you can see, it provides a bit of a variegated red and yellow spectrum and an orange glow. The bulb is very easy to use with casting resins, either urethane resins or polyester resins, and it's easily controlled from a 12-volt DC system. The flicker effects control has 6 flicker modes and various flicker speeds, so it can provide a very realistic appearance.